Isang dating basketball player, kinalimutan man ang mundo pero hindi ang mundo ng basketball. Tingnan niyo ang galawan nito at makikita niyo talagang dating basketball player to. Kaya mo yung uya at enjoy mo lang habang ganyan ka pa. Pabalik ka sana sa tunay na liga ng basketball.
I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest taste I found.